Hi guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. First, just simply tap your Snapchat application to open it. And once open, as you can see, the camera also opened. Then let's try or tap this emoji icon located at the bottom part for the lenses. Then just swipe your screen up. Then here in the search box, just type upload move. And next, from the choices here or the results here, just tap this upload move option, this number 3 option, and you will see the pictures displayed on your camera. Just simply choose from the different pictures you want to take a snap. Okay, let's try this picture. Then let's move this and zoom this picture. Okay, and then just take a snap by tapping this icon of the two fingers here. Tap and next. Then you can send it to more people you want, and once you send that, it will send as a normal snap. Okay, that's it guys on how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.